In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split data into multiple columns using Ctrl plus J in Excel. We're going to look at a very useful Excel trick for handling data that contains line breaks inside a single cell. This is especially helpful when one cell includes multiple pieces of information stacked on separate lines, and you want Excel to separate those values into different columns automatically. First, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet that contains the data you want to clean up. The key thing to understand here is that Ctrl plus J works inside the Text to Columns tool as a hidden delimiter. Even though you won't actually see anything appear when you press it, Excel recognizes it as a line break. This method is best used when your data is stored inside one cell with each item on a new line. For example, you might have one cell containing a first name, last name, and city, each separated by a line break. Instead of manually copying and pasting each line into its own column, you can use this shortcut to split everything quickly and accurately. To begin, select the cells you want to split. Once they're highlighted, go to the Data tab in Excel and click Text to Columns. This opens the Convert Text to Columns wizard, which is the tool we'll use for the split. When the wizard appears, choose Delimited, then click Next. On the next screen, you'll see several delimiter options such as tab, semicolon, comma, and space. Uncheck everything so none of those standard delimiters are selected. Then click inside the other field. This is where the special shortcut comes in. With your cursor active in the other box, press Ctrl plus J on your keyboard. Nothing visible will appear in that field, and that's completely normal. Excel is still capturing the line break character in the background. This is the part that often confuses people, so don't worry if the box looks empty. After that, click Next, and then click Finish. Excel will immediately split the contents of each selected cell into separate columns based on each line break. As a result, the data that was originally stacked inside one cell will now be organized across multiple columns. For example, if a cell contained 3 lines of text, those 3 lines would be separated into column 1, column 2, and column 3. This is a simple but powerful way to clean up messy Excel data without doing everything manually. If your cells contain line breaks, Ctrl plus J inside Text to Columns is the shortcut you'll want to remember.